One of the big challenges that you might face is not knowing yourself. First of all, imposter syndrome is a really, really self-destructive thing that you can have in this industry. If you're not sure about yourself, then the person who's supposed to hire you, employ you, is also not going to be sure about you. So one thing I'd advise is that you need to go in knowing yourself. The biggest challenge is not believing in yourself and not believing in the what can I how can I put it, not believing in what God has planted in you, in a way, I would say. And also being spiritually strong, and that goes for whatever you believe in. Just be stern about it. Like whatever faith you from that you fall under, just make sure that you are stern in it, because there's a lot of like spirits people that carry there's a lot of spirits that people carry around, and it's easy to get thrown off or get influenced, by secondhand spirits, and that's not good for a person who's new in an industry. And that goes for every industry. I don't think it's for the acting industry only, but then every space that you walk into, every workspace, be it corporate or arts, there's different people who come with different things. So just make sure that you're rooted and you're stern in whatever you believe in.